Tesla, what you do is you touch the lightning bolt symbol, open charge port. You can see where my battery is. It's not bad. Door opens. Here's the supercharger. Take this. Oh, did you see that? I pressed that button, and then you can actually see how it's blue over here and it's flashing. Let's see what's happening inside. It says starting the charge. Okay. So right here will give us the status, but I'm not going to hang out and wait for it. It says time remaining 1 hour. It's just figuring it out right now. There's hardly anything left. It's figuring it out. 15 minutes to fully charge it. That's great.